model, 2008 Ford Transit Connect 201, 1.8TDCI 75PS short wheelbase, runs and drives great. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 263393. MOT, the 4th of February 2025. Engine, 1753 cc DURATORQ TDCI, E455K. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Pulls well through all gears with no lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 3 former keepers, wind-up windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call